Hi guys, bienvenidos a mi canal. Welcome back to my channel. And today we are making some delicious Mexican tortas. For this you need refried beans, chiles jalapenos. This is a mixture of sour cream with mayo, fresh cheese, fresh Mexican cheese, sliced tomatoes, sliced onions. Of course, you need this kind of bread. You can get this at Safe Mart or if you go to any Mexican bakery. And butter. I'm gonna grab this, cut it in half. Like this. So the bottom piece, I'm gonna add some refried beans, ham. You can use turkey ham. I'm going to use honey roasted smoked turkey breast. Okay, so I added beans on the bottom portion. On the top portion, I'm going to add the mixture that I made with a little bit of mayo and sour cream. So this is very important, and you'll see why. Because you want the meat to stick to the bread. So that's why I'm gonna add the meat on this part. You can add 2 slices, 1 slice, whatever you want. If you want 1 slice of ham, 2 slices is fine. Okay, now here I'm gonna add the tomatoes, the onions, on the top part of the bread, I'm going to add the cheese and the avocado. And why I'm doing it like this is because we need the cheese to stick to the mayo with the sour cream. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the jalapenos. I love jalapenos. Okay. Now we're ready. I'm gonna put it together. There we go. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna heat up a pan, a comal, we call it. I'm gonna add a little bit of butter, and I'm going to put my torta on top. And then I'm gonna turn it around. I'm gonna do the same thing. Smells delicious. Okay, so now my torta is nice and toasted, and here we go. It's ready to eat. And this is Mexican torta. Enjoy.